Do you want to use your computer to earn extra money but are concerned about online fraud? You're right to exercise caution. This video will teach you how to launch a data entry side business in a straightforward and secure manner. I'll walk you through the process step by step. No prior knowledge is required. Let's get you going. What data entry really is? It's really very easy. Consider it as the transfer of information from one location to another. Names and numbers from a paper form, for instance, could be entered into a digital spreadsheet. You are compensated for accuracy and caution, not for magic. It's a legitimate and consistent way to make extra money, but it won't make you wealthy overnight. Skills you already have? The good news is, you probably already have the skills you need. You don't need a special degree in anything. If you can type and pay close attention to details and use basic computer programs like Excel or Google Sheets, you're qualified for what companies are paying for. Where to find safe gigs? Now, where do you find these safe jobs? Never pay for any data entry opportunity. Real jobs pay you. Stick to well-known websites like Upwork, Fiverr and FlexJobs. You can also get remote data entry jobs on normal sites like Indeed. These places have real companies looking for people like you. How to spot a scam? Now let's talk about how to identify scams to keep you safe. No real job will ask you for money to get hired. If some offer promises easy money with little work, it probably is a scam. Also, be wary of the job description if it is full of spelling mistakes. Trust your gut. If something feels wrong, it usually is. Your first 3 steps to start today. Ready to start? Here's your first 3 steps. First, practice your typing on a free online test. Second, choose one website such as Upwork and make a simple profile. Third, apply for one small easy job to get your first review. Do this today and you'll be on your way. And that's all you need to get started with your data entry side hustle. It's an easy and safe way to start earning extra money from home. If this video has helped you, please support my channel. Hit the like button and subscribe to Monetive while enabling notifications so that you don't miss our next tips. Thank you for watching.